Hi everyone, I'm Sakla and this is my project team Navya and ANAND, and we are presenting from that our project daily earthquake location using machine learning has been carried out under the guidance of Masood sir. After successful setup, we need to open the terminal column in the directory where our project is located, and we need to run the command prompt python manage.py run server, and this initiates the development server and with the local host, and which we can open in any web server web browser to access the application. Upon accessing the site, we need to open it in Google Chrome or any website. Upon accessing, we need to log in as a new register upon clicking on the register button, and we need to enter our credentials. As you can see here, you enter usernames and all the basic details we need to enter here to register first of all in our database. Then after successful, we need to enter our names just like I entered here, Pranita, and all the credentials need to be entered after logging in, and we need to open the same localhost in the another browser, in another tab where we need to log in through the service provider, where the username and password is an admin. It should be in capital letter as you can see here. And after the logging in, we can see who are the users which are logged in our platforms, and we can see the particular usernames. And after that, we need to enter the dataset details here. Like we can see this the datasets, earthquake warning datasets, in which there are different types of attributes like time, latitude, longitude, etc. We need to enter the details through these datasets, and there are many number of rows. There are many number of rows in the datasets. As we can see, there's around 8,840 rows are there in this datasets, and there are about 17 columns in the datasets. And we need to enter the details like time, latitude, mag value, NSP value, min value, net value, and update value, RMS value, mag value, matched value, depth error value. After all the successful completion of this entering the values, now we can predict the results as we see now. After entering this, we need to enter the place. As you can see here, place is about 17 km LVW of Borgians. It is about Canada. After entering this place, after clicking on the prediction, we can see that the prediction is about explosion warning, and after the compilation we can see the results where the line graph, and the explosion warning is about 15.79% and earthquake warning is about 15.79%. After that we can analyze the pie chart, and earthquake warning is about 15.79% of that particular area, and the earthquake warning and the explosion rate is about 84.21%. And after analyzing that, we can also download the predicted datasets which has been computed by our machine learning model. We can see here the sample datasets which has been predicted by our datasets, and we can download it from the interfaces. And after viewing the earthquake and the type ratio, the explosion ratio is about 85%, and we can see the details which is similar to the above datasets. And after viewing the time and the test series datasets, and we have used 3 types of machine learning models in this. Those are SVM, linear logistic regressions, and random forest, and the particular algorithm's accuracy as mentioned here. And this is the code of our project. As we can see, this is the code. And this is the logistic regression code, random forest code, and SVM model code. And after that we can see this the performance matrices of our random forest, where the accuracy is about 89% and the macro averages of the above projects is been about on 1771. And this is the performance matrix of our code. And after the train and the test data, we can see this the bar graph which represents the accuracy of a particular algorithms, and we can see this the line chart of the particular given data sets. In the SVM stands for about 88.4%. So upon the particular data sets which we have entered, the results which it has been predicted is about explosion prediction which is going to happen in the particular area. So our main aim of the project is to predict the high accuracy to produce the high accuracy and predict the good predictions. Thank you. This is our project.